Hey you guys, here is a look at the dried canvas that I'm going to create in this video. I'm not going to be doing a voiceover. I honestly don't know what I'm doing. I'm still learning, but I am having a lot of fun playing around, and I'm just kind of experimenting with the trying to get the perfect mix with the acrylic paint and the Floetrol and water and all of that sort of thing. So I like the colors in this one, so that's why I am putting it up on my channel. I used Impasto paints from Prima, and I'll tell you guys the colors, which are Aubergine and Crimson. So those are the two colors that I used. And if you are looking to learn how to do an acrylic pour, I will have links to some channels down below that I really enjoy watching, that they're very thorough with what they explain, and I've learned a lot. But I think they explain too in the videos that it's all about experimenting with the consistency that you enjoy and that you like, because everybody's different. Some people like thicker paint. I think I'm going to like thinner paint, but I do think that this turned out a little bit too thin, so I'm going to have to probably use a little bit less water. The Impasto paints are really thick, that's why I added probably too much water, but I don't really know what acrylic paints to get. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. I don't know if it matters between like super cheap paint or the more expensive paint. I'm hoping that it doesn't matter, because I would rather get more colors. So let me know, and yeah, and if you have any other tips or channels or anything, leave it in the comment section. I'm really determined to create a canvas that I want to put on my wall, so if you guys can help me out. So yeah, so this one, I like the colors and I like some of what's going on here. I do have a lot of different techniques that I want to try. One lady that I watch, I think her name is Ann Osborne, she uses a mallet, and then she also uses, like she does like the stamping technique with another little canvas, like all sorts of different things. Alright, so here is a closer look at what's going on my canvas. Like I said, I think the paint was just a little bit too thin, and I do, like I said, I like the colors, but I'm definitely going to have to play around a little bit more. And as you could see here, I have one of those tins. I got these at Walmart, and then I got these paint stirrers at Walmart as well. So that works perfectly for my desk. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me any suggestions, comments, any positive feedback or anything that you want in the comments so that I can read them. And I want to thank you guys for stopping by, and I will catch you guys later. Hope you enjoy the video. Bye.